I am Nitesh Pradhan from LabVIEW Programming. In this video, I will teach you how can we add our function in function palette. Okay. First, I am going to show you one example related to that. So now, right click in block diagram. When I will come into the string, so I will get this function, odd and even number vi, odd and even number vi. Okay. So when I will take this odd and even number vi, and I will right click, label, right click, create all control and indicators. So I will get this one, the appropriate error input, error output, and my input numbers and output command, odd and even. Okay. So let's check the program, run continuously. 0 is even number, odd, even, odd. So now in this video I will show you how can you design and how can you add your function in the function palette. So for that, in this first we will design one small sub vi, one small functions, then we will add that function on the block diagram function palette. So now let's design one small program for average of two numbers. Okay. So for that, right click, take one numeric control naming A, take another numeric control naming B, and output will be the average A plus B divided by 2. Okay. So let's design the output first, program first. Now add both numbers A plus B, then take one multiply and multiply with .5. Now our averager program has complete. A plus B divided by 2 function is complete. Now let's try to design this program as a generic way. So for that we can add one error function here. So right click, come into the error, take error input, take one error, data container, take error output and connect here. Okay. If there is no error and if there is error, okay. So our program, we need to change something in this program. Take this one outside, take this one outside, and this one also outside. Right click, create default as an environment. Now this program has complete. Select all, edit, create sub vi, double click and open it. Now right click. Okay, all those things are set. Again let's try to check if there are any possibilities for 3 input 2 outputs. So yes, there is 2 input and 3 input and 2 outputs. So I think these are set. If you want, you can right click and disconnect all terminals, and then you can configure one by one as an input and output. Now connector pane is clear. Right click in the icon, edit icon, okay, template icon, no need to write anything. Okay, just come into the icon text, select all and delete. Now I am going to write A plus B a plus b divided by 2. Okay, increase the font size slightly. A plus b divided by 2. Okay, now you can see a plus b divided by 2 is here. Try to save the program. I am going to save my program here. Okay, in this my D drive, this is my VI. Inside this VI, I am saving my program. Okay, okay. Average of two numbers. Average of two numbers. Average of two numbers. Now hit the OK button. Now this program has cleared. Okay, let's close the program and VI. If you want to take this sub VI, okay, so you can use this select of VI functions, and you can call your VI, or you can take your VI. Okay, but here I will teach you how can you add your VI. So for that, click in the tools, come down, click in the tools and come down to the advanced. Okay, advanced, and in the advanced you will find edit palette set. Click on the edit palette set. When you will click on the edit palette set, it will take few seconds. Then one edit palette set platform will appears in front of you. When the palette will be open, you will get, okay, edit control and function palette. Edit control and function palette has been opened. Now we will add our function here. So to add, so I want to add functions only. Okay, I don't want to add any controls. So this is a function palette. This is a control palette where we can edit, but it is a function palette. So, and I want to add my function here inside this programming. So click on the programming. In this programming, this one is numeric. Either I can add here my functions, either I can add my function inside the numeric. Okay, so this is the numeric. If I will right click here, okay, either here or data manipulations, okay, or complex scaling math constant. So take this math constant platform and right click here and click in the okay, select the VIs. Okay, so now click. Okay, it will redirect you anywhere of your PCs. So we need to go to that platform where we have designed and saved our program. So we have designed and saved our VIs here in D drive VI section. This average of two numbers sub VI. Okay, so select that sub VI and hit the OK button. So now this function has saved here. And we can use now we can use this functions for our program, for our as a complete function and a complete function. Okay, so now after that, please press the save change. When you will press the save change, it will give you it will ask you this kind of permission. So do continue. Okay, now let's try to check our function is present or not, and can we use that functions or not. So for that, right click here, come into the mathematics, math constant, average of two numbers function is here. So now we can use our functions without any hundreds, A, B and A plus B. Okay. So you can also design these things, and you can also do these things, design these things and this logic, and you can add your functions. So thank you for watching this video.